This hadith is reported by Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha. There was a Jewish woman who used to serve Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha, and whenever she did a good deed, the Jewish woman would say, "May Allah protect you from the punishment of the grave." On one occasion, when Prophet ﷺ came to Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha's house, she asked him, "O Messenger of Allah, will there be any punishment in the grave?" The Prophet ﷺ replied, "No, why do you ask?" Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha explained that whenever she does a good deed, the Jewish woman says the same prayer for her. The Prophet ﷺ then remarked that the Jewish utter falsehood and they attribute lies to Allah. He emphasized that there will be no punishment in the grave before the day of judgment. Some time later, during the forenoon, Prophet ﷺ emerged from his home with his head covered, eyes reddened, and raised his voice in admonition, saying, "O people, like dark pieces of the night, trials and tribulations have fallen upon you. O people, if I had knowledge of what you have, I would have wept much and laughed a little. Seek refuge with Allah from the punishment of the grave, as it is true." The Prophet ﷺ warned the people about the trials that would behalf them, and he advised them to seek refuge in Allah from the punishment of the grave, confirming that it is real and justified. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23423.